So today I'm going to begin a public experiment. I'm going to try to grow my channel to a point where it is earning $20,000 a month in YouTube AdSense. And I'm going to document my journey. I have no idea if this is possible. I've got some ideas that I'm going to try to make that happen. I know it is possible because I know there's lots of other channels that do it. I'm nowhere near it now, but the experiment is going to start today and we'll see what happens. So why am I even doing this? A lot of YouTubers make the majority of their money outside of YouTube. They'll do other things, like they'll start a consulting business, or they'll make money from affiliate marketing, or they'll do brand deals for companies and have sponsored videos, or they'll sell merchandise. There's all kinds of different things, digital products, right? All kinds of different things you could do. A lot of people say, a lot of people who help others with YouTube, myself included, say that if you want the best chance at growing a successful YouTube business, you should start a business outside of YouTube, and you should not rely solely on AdSense, because AdSense tends to be unpredictable, right? You don't know how much you're going to earn from month to month. You'll have up months, you'll have down months, and it's just not predictable. But what if you could build a channel where YouTube itself is actually the business, and that you can grow AdSense to a significant monthly income? There's a lot of people who are midlifers who are looking at retirement and may want to do something else in retirement, or maybe they don't have enough saved to retire comfortably, and they're looking to YouTube as a way to maybe supplement that income. Now, $20,000 a month, that for most people is far more than just supplementing an income. That's way more than your average income, but it's something that is possible. And so we're going to see if we can make that happen. So where do things sit now? Well, I'm not starting from zero. So in the last year, I've grown my channel from 30,000 subscribers to over 100,000. And my views are, and I've written them down here, my monthly views are anywhere from 210,000 to 400,000 views in a month. And the earnings that I've gotten through AdSense have been anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500 in a month. So, and I think in 2025, I earned $28,000 from AdSense alone. So again, I'm not starting from zero, but I'm nowhere near the $20,000 that I'm going to try to get to. So again, the goal is $20,000 earned per month from YouTube AdSense alone. And I don't know if it's going to take 2 years for this to happen, or it might never happen. I don't know how long it's going to take. Could happen within a year, who knows? But I'm going to document the journey, and we're going to find out together. What are the rules of this experiment? I've got some rules I've set out for myself. The first one is to focus primarily on AdSense growth. Rule number 2 is I'm going to share all of my results along the way. I'm going to make periodic videos to this series. This is the first in a series of videos that I've kind of mapped out. I'm going to say 8 to 10 of these videos over the course of the next year, and we may continue it beyond that. But I'm going to share all of my numbers as we go. Number 3 is I'm going to document what works and what doesn't work. Okay, I've got several things I'm going to try, some things that I think are going to work, and we're going to learn together whether they do or not. Rules number 4 and 5 are kind of related. I'm going to continue to make the videos I enjoy making. Okay, that's number 4. And number 5 is I'm going to continue to be authentic. All right, I'm going to make the videos as I normally do, the videos I like to make, which I believe are the ones that you like me to make, the same style, not going to change. So we're going to keep it as authentic as I can. Some of the things I'm going to be testing to see if they work are going to increase the number of evergreen type videos that I make. Perhaps a lot of search-based videos, right? Videos that can be found in search. So that means doing a little bit more work on title research and, what people that watch my videos need help with, what they are searching for. Videos that people will watch years later, right? That's one of the keys to a channel growing even when I don't have anything to upload. I'm going to work on my upload consistency, right? Going to try to be more consistent with my video uploads and the frequency of my uploads. Okay, I'm going to go back to 3 videos a week. Not all are going to be the same type, but as I said, an increased percentage of search-based potential evergreen type videos, but you're not going to lose the walk and talk style videos like this that I love to make. And playlists. I'm going to be organizing my videos into playlists, and I've already begun that process, but this video here is going to be the first in a new playlist, right? And that should help with search and growth as well. So again, the idea is to build a channel that will grow even when I don't have anything to upload, right? Videos that I've made in the past, continuing to get views, that is actually the key, because if you want to grow AdSense, you typically have to focus on getting more views and not so much on getting more subscribers. I mean, getting more subscribers and viewers does help in terms of getting more views. You know, whenever you release a new video, it goes out to your subscribers. Oh geez, fox just, is that a fox or a bobcat? What are you? Something's walking towards me. Running towards me. I think it's a fox. Okay, he stopped. Let me try to zoom in, see if you can see him. That's definitely a fox. Okay, that was fun. I don't know. Why don't I turn around and go the other way, and you can tell me if he starts following me. Where was I? Am I still recording? Yes. I think that's all I wanted to say. I want to invite you to follow me on this journey. And again, 20,000 a month, that sounds a little bit even outrageous to me, but I know it's been done by other people, so that is the goal I'm setting. I even considered calling this a $10,000 a month experiment. But no, I'm going to keep it at 20, and we'll just see what happens, what we can do, and we'll learn together if this is going to work. So I invite you to follow me, follow me on this journey, follow this playlist, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'd love to have you. And that said, let the experiment begin.